Can you find the area of the red region in this shape? There's a much more clever solution to this question than it seems. So let's take a look at the question together. Now when we look here, you can see that we have a quarter circle. Inside the quarter circle, two more quarter circles have been drawn, as you can see here and here. And here we're being asked what the area of the red region is. And what numerical information do we have? We have 6. This 6 is the radius of the larger quarter circle. So what are we going to do here? Now it seems almost impossible for us to find this area and also this area separately. So what are we going to do in this question? In this question, the area, we are going to use the method of transferring areas. What we mean by transferring areas is this. Now in the first part, I want to do the following. I want to draw a straight line segment passing through points A, C, and B. Here, I have successfully formed the geometric triangle AOB. I have the AOB, which is a crucial part of this construction. A quarter circle. At the same time, there is also the triangle AOB. Now, at this point, we can do the following. There's also something else I want to do. I want to separate this part from here like this. This is the situation that has emerged. Do you see this? This area and that area are actually equal to each other. In the same way, this particular area and that specific area are completely equal to each other. Or alternatively, this distinct area is also equal as well in the same manner. So what can we do here? Here, we can perform an area transfer operation. So what do I mean by area transfer? What I mean by area transfer is this. Here, I want to take the red area here and move it over there. I want to bring it over and move it here. In the same way, I want to take the red area here and move it over there as well. Now, my entire red area has become this part over here. So now I can easily find the red area here. I move this red area over here. I move this red area here. In this way, by performing the area transfer operation, I can actually say that this entire part here has faded now. Now I also want to do this so we can see it more clearly. To see it more clearly, I'm going to do this. I can now paint this area white. Now I can paint this part white because we moved it over here. Now I can paint this part white. We moved it here. Very nice. Now we can say this. What we need to do to find the area of the red region is very simple. If we subtract the area of the white triangle here from the quarter circle, we will find the area of the red region. Let's do it. First, I want to find this. This is the radius. The distance from O to A is also the radius. It's 6. Similarly, the distance from O to B is also the radius. It's 6. I'll write 6 here as well. First, let's find the area of the whole circle. What should we do with the area of the whole circle afterwards? Let's divide by 4 to find the area of the quarter circle. So I'm writing it down right away. Look, doesn't the area of the whole circle come from the formula pi times r squared? It does. So here's what I'm going to do. I'll keep writing pi for pi. Since the radius is 6, I'll write 6 instead of r. I'll write 6 squared. What do we get from this? We'll get 36 pi. This is the area of the whole circle. But I need the quarter circle. So to find the quarter circle, I'll divide this by 4. If you divide 36 pi by 4, you'll get 9 pi. It's very simple. I'm continuing in the same way. So what is this for me now? This is now the area of the quarter circle. The area of the quarter circle is 9 pi. At the same time, what else do I need to find here? I need to find the area of the triangle. Here's how I'll find the area of the triangle. The area of the triangle, this is a right side, isn't it? 90 degrees. How do you find the area of the triangle? You find it by dividing the product of the legs by 2, right? It's found by dividing the product of the legs by 2. The product of the legs is 6 times 6, which gives 36. If I divide 36 by 2, what do I get? From here, we get 18. So this is the area of the triangle, friends. So that's what I found. The area of the whole quarter circle here is 9 pi. The area of this triangle here is 18. When I subtract 18 from 9 pi, that is, when I subtract it 3 times from the quarter circle, what will I have found? I will have found this red region. That's my goal anyway. Come on, let's write that down now, finally. The total is 9 pi. If I subtract 18 from 9 pi, I find the red shaded region here. In these kinds of questions, especially when we have little information, the area transfer method is very useful for us. In these types of questions, we always try to bring those areas together by transferring the area. To find the areas we've combined, we reach the result by subtracting the area that is not included from the total area. If you're continuing with these kinds of questions, let's meet in the next one. And in the comments, how did you solve it? If you solved it differently, I definitely want you to mention it. See you next time. Goodbye.